Angles, parallels, and transversals. You don't want to miss these this time around. Kindly pay attention as I take you through solving this problem. Find angle T, Q, U. So the first thing to do is to identify angle T, Q, U. And that's the angle over there. So how do we find this angle here? Now look at the diagram provided. There are several. We have a pair of or two pairs of parallel lines. Okay, so let's start from the most visible ones there. Can you see that this line and this line, they're parallel to each other? When you see arrows like this in problems, it means that they are parallel. So this entire line is parallel to this line, and so this line will serve as a transversal. I hope you can see that. Okay, good. So if that serves as a transversal, then let me call your attention to the fact that this angle 60 degrees and this angle here, they are related. They are related because they are alternate angles. Alternate angles are always within the parallel lines, and they are in opposite direction. They are equal to each other. So if I call this angle A, for instance, I'm going to say that A is equal to 60 degrees, and the reason is alternate angles. Alternate angles. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, follow, like, share, and leave your comments. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments. So A is 60 degrees. Now you're thinking, how is this A gonna help us to solve this problem? Just pay attention a little bit more. Now look at this. I want to show you something now. Pay attention to this parallel line now. Look at this parallel line that has one arrow. Look at this parallel line that has one arrow. This is a straight line. I just want to extend this further. Just let me make this a bit more. Now look at this parallel line. This parallel line that has one arrow. Just look at this very, very well. You are free to adjust your screen so that you see what I'm calling your attention to. I'm also going to do the same thing here. See it? Now see it? This is angle A that I just found. There is something common between this angle and this angle here. And that's this angle here. There's something common between this angle A and this angle here. They are related somehow related. Look at these two. You would notice that there is something common. And what is it? They are alternate angles. So if I call this angle B, for instance, I would say B is also equals to 60 degrees. Why? Alternate angles. I hope you understand that. B is 60 degrees. Okay, so now keep paying attention. Get the flow. 60 degrees. B is also 60 degrees, alternate angles. Remember that we looked at this other pair of parallel lines, the one that has one arrow. Okay, now finally, there is just one thing I want to call your attention to. Look at this line that has two arrows. I don't want you to be distracted. Just remain focused. Two arrows. These two lines are parallel to each other. You have this serves as a transversal. This is 46 degrees. There's something common between this angle and this angle here, and that's this angle here. There is something common between this angle, I think that's 48 or so, and this angle here. What is it? They are alternate angles. So you can see how we are moving from one alternate angle to another alternate angle. You just need to look at this as a pair. Don't look at everything at the same time. Look at it one after the other. So you will realize that this angle 48 degrees is the same as this angle. So if I call this C, I'm using letters so that you understand, you can easily trace it. C equals to 48 degrees, and that's alternate angles. Do you get it now? All right. So find angle TQU. To find angle QU, permit me to write this here. My B is 48. This is 48. My C is, this is 48. My B is supposed to be 60 because I've written 60 here. 60. So how then do I find this angle here? I would say that angle TQU plus 48 plus 60. Remember, sum of angles in a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. So angle TQU equals to 180 minus 60 minus 48. And so the value of 180 minus 60 minus 48 is 72 degrees. Please click on the subscribe button, like, share, and comment. Please, let's keep this channel engaging. And so the value of angle TQU is 72 degrees. I hope you understand that.